To start off, I will be using a spray bottle for my daughter's hair, as well as Aunt Jackie's Heads Up Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo, which is for kids. And I will also be using some detangling brushes. And later on in the video, I will show you some Soft and Sassy softening conditioner that I will also be using. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So far, as you can see, I am parting my daughter's hair into sections, or splitting it into sections, and then spraying it with the water bottle and detangling it really good with some detangling brushes. The best way to detangle type 4 hair is to spray it with water. Use a real good detangling brush and do it in sections. Pretty much any type natural hair is always good to do it in sections to really detangle it really well. what I like to do is go ahead and section her hair to put the shampoo directly onto her scalp. This is the best way to ensure that I get her scalp really well and get in between her strands really well. And then I massage the scalp with my hand to make sure I'm working the shampoo in really good, because if I was to just put the shampoo into my hand and then just put it in her whole head without even sectioning it, I won't get her scalp really well. So I have to section her hair because it's so thick to get her scalp really clean. And as you can see, I've been putting in the Aunt Jackie Soft and Sassy Softening Conditioner. And I'm doing the same concept as I did with the shampoo, except I'm running this through her strands and all of that. But I am sectioning it as I put it on. I also have her sit on with a bag on her head for 30 minutes for deep conditioning, which I won't show in the video. So that's why I'm telling you. This is the color that Sharia is getting in her hair. She said she wanted blue, and then she's going to get some of these in her hair too. She didn't want nothing else. So here I am showing you the sections of her hair, how her hair is sectioned off, because she is getting box braids in, but with the rubber band method. I tried to show you the sections the best I could, but because she has a lot of hair, it's kind of hard to show you. Okay, you all, so this is the turnout of her hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share, and I'll see you all next time.